Hello shoppers, I am selling a brand new fully set up orangePi PC Plus with a fresh install of Ambient Linux. It has a full office suite installed for all your kids' schoolwork and more, or to run your finances. I list this as a kid's PC because at $80 it makes a good one, but this thing can do the same things that a lot of $300 to $500 computers can do. It is a great little PC. My second one gave the first to my nephew. Comes with the Arduino I'd installed, so this can be used to program Arduinos. Also has fritzing installed so you can wire up your Arduino projects with ease. Also come with the Python programming development platform. There are books included to get mastering all the basics of Linux computing. Linux computing is a must for any power user, and what better way to get yourself a new PC for $80. If you want to know what kind of performance to expect, this thing is brisk, works better than my dad's $650 Pentium Windows 8. This operating system is so light that it allows the programs to run at full speed. Also the books that it comes with range from mastering Linux to programming Python and more. Needs a monitor, keyboard and mouse and speakers. Monitor has to be a HDMI connection. Resolution cannot be changed on PC. There is a known glitch and you must leave the resolution alone. Don't try to go for more 1080p and that's it. It auto senses when booting but can freeze up if you mess with it. As you can see in the pictures, it's the small blue thing, and the programs it has are great. At $80 I am profiting like $10. Setting up the Linux OS with all the software takes like 7 whole hours, so I think that $10 is fair. Heat sinks are installed to keep it cool. Things this thing can't do is play Poker Stars or Full Tilt. A Java web-based casino would work. Great PC, buy it now, you're gonna be so glad you bought this. If you look at the pictures, there is folders on the desktop that can't be formatted or removed. They're part of the onboard memory and are empty folders. The only thing on this PC is the programs, all fully licensed and non-pirated, and some books that I paid for and installed on the PC. If you're into Windows computers and don't know what Linux is, it's the operating system that goes back all the way, and Ambient is a Debian-based Linux like Ubuntu or Fedora. It can do all that you need and more. Great brand new computer for someone on a budget, will work on HDMI TVs too. What more is there to say about this great PC other than the price has been lowered $20 to my rock bottom price of $80. This $80 Linux mini PC is more powerful than the more expensive Raspberry Pi, and now that Ambient has Linux for it, it is just as good if not better thanks to its more RAM and faster PC plus some onboard flash storage. Has a SD card in it. The case is blue, and it has a deranged penguin on the screen that can be changed with anything you like. If you've read this far, what are you waiting for? Buy it. You'll love it. Linux is the next get. It's the last gen. It's the first gen Linux in your life is needed. You can't go wrong for $80. This PC can do office suite stuff with skill and dexterity. It is fast. You think it runs fritzing slow, think again it performs. I wouldn't sell it if it did not deliver performance. I have had this thing on sale for months now, but don't worry, it's still orangePi's best model with Wi-Fi. So don't delay, buy now, and if you're still not convinced, let me tell you, this PC will surprise you on how easy Linux is to use. You can do some powerful functions with Linux and it can be satisfying. So don't delay, buy this today. If you're thinking I will go and get myself that same hardware at the selling cost of the best price in the world, go right ahead and have fun spending over 8 hours setting it up. Linux is powerful, but installing all the programs, even for me a power user, it took many hours. So if you add that to the price, then this thing is a good deal at $80. Look up things Linux can do online and you will find out that it can have fun. So what are you waiting for? Make the move and buy this thing before it passes 400 views. $80 so cheap. You can't go wrong for $10 more. I will include a Logitech wireless keyboard USB that has a touchpad. You can make this a media center PC. The Logitech keyboard fetches $40 new. So a very good deal. Don't delay, make this yours. What are you waiting for? Make the move today. This PC is so good you will be surprised. I can assure you, you will be pleased. Priced at this price for a setup, orangePi is sensational. Don't delay, someone who has their eye on it might buy it today, so be that person and buy it tomorrow, and buy with confidence with a all-winner H3 processor. This thing has the cojones to get the task done, from office to web to programming the next wave of Linux apps. There has not been a better time than now. Do it, buy it, give me a text. I won't bite. I might have some bits on my shirt. I take big bites of small bits, know what I am saying. If you answer no, then you need this PC more than you realize. Programming is a highly skilled art form that pays well, and the Linux microcomputer with Python and Arduino are the two best ways to start building that base. With some college in the future you will be rocking. I did configure this PC to my specs of excellence, and it comes with some epics installed that can get you mastering Linux from command line to scripts and beyond. Learning is what we do as humans, and there has never been a better opportunity to start learning. This price is so competitive for this device with heat sinks and TF card with Arabian properly configured with internet Wi-Fi. This thing does it all, and it's new, so you can't know it's not contaminated with malware or viruses. It's pure and clean. All I did was get it running and installed the core programs you need on this machine, basically the Arduino IDE and the Python idle, as well as frizzing for all your wiring diagram needs. So ever want to tinker with Arduino, then this could be your workshop programming PC. Want to master Linux because you heard of its abilities, then this PC can do that. Well, I have spoken enough about this PC, so what are you waiting for? Let's make a deal. You can call, text or MSG me for more information, and that's 90 with a wireless keyboard. Great buy. The keyboard is worth 40 plus tax alone. Ready to step up? Then send me a text and you can be off and running. You might be saying, what is an Arduino? Well, Google search it. It might be the educational experience you want for your older team. Maybe get them programming so they have a base to take into college. You might say, well, why don't you use it for that? I would, but I am a power user and have a beast of a Linux or Intel Pentium, so to me this is for a youth-first computer. And there is a book on there that will get you learning with your kid. Or buy it for yourself. Thanks for listening, and God bless and bless you from me for reading this far. Bless you, man, and bless on. Forever be blessed. And by the way, let me save you the time. It cannot play games like Overwatch or other big Xbox games. This is a mini PC. It can play Linux arcade style games from like the 90s. Not that I have put any on this one. I tried them on my first. It I have heard can maybe do Minecraft, but I ain't making no promises. So yes, it cannot game. There is a Mario clone game that features a penguin that plays, and like I said, some Atari remakes and arcade from the 80 and 90 style clone games. So cheers and bless you, and bless all that is yours, and glory to the Lord and to the Lord and to the Lord, all the Lord in any of his forms or names. Glory to the Lord. So if you're still on the fence, well, jump on down. This little mini PC will deliver a full-size experience. Think of it as the fastest tablet, but in a mini PC, except about 5 times more powerful. So you get all the power you need to run programs like fritzing or an office suite. Do yourself a favor and buy this PC for a teen who needs the edge that a computer provides. Or hell, buy it for yourself. You deserve this PC. Don't deny yourself and hey, buy this PC. Years from now you'll be so glad you did.